Welcome to the heart of Ponte Vedra Beach, where luxury meets lifestyle, right here on the Intracoastal. This is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We have 500 feet of waterfront property spanning over 4.5 acres. With boating, fishing, and access to the ocean, this is your nautical lifestyle. This is an incredible opportunity. Follow me to the end for more. Let's go. Thank you for watching. I'm Meryl Engelhardt with One Sotheby's International Realty. Contact me for more information and your private tour. This property certainly won't last.